Hey guys, it's exploding, and today I got another video. First up, it's spring break, so I don't have school for a while. Got no homework, no nothing. So yeah, I get to make as many videos as I want now. Mikey's coming over later, or he might, so I might make a video with him, or I might even be going to his house. But today I'm going to show you how to make one of these airplanes, or just building it, because I think you could get this at like a dollar store. I got this as a gift, so I don't really know where you could get it. But what you could do, you could throw like a paper airplane, and this will spin. So yeah, I got another one. I'm gonna show you how to make it. So it comes in the package with two airplanes. This is just another thing for it. And this is like a screw to put this propeller onto the airplane itself. Well, first, what you want to do is pop this stuff out. Let's just quickly do that. And pop out these parts. Yep, that looks good. And then just do it to this one. Yeah, there. So now we have these three parts. What you want to do is take this and this. Slide this through this back one. You might have to use some force because it's not big enough. So yeah, there we go. And now you want to take the wings and put it in. No! I bent it. It's fine though. Okay, there we go. Now I'm just gonna get this off of there because it's really hard to do that. Okay guys, I got them apart. What you want to do is take this. Well, actually first, you take this, slide it on. This is to like make sure that it doesn't break, I guess. So what you want to do, take the little screw and slide it through the thing, and then put it through there. That's it. Now it should spin. Okay, we're done with the airplane. So now you can see that these look pretty like, just this one has like these stars and this one has like these targets. Yeah. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Make sure... Wait, this just fell out. Oh no. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And subscribe to my friend DanTDM Jr. I'll put his link in the description, and subscribe to his brother, Flip Fun, link in the description also. And yeah, remember to explode.